What just flew into my helmet? So I'm so glad I've got this bike. Not any other bike doing this on. Look at it. So being here, it's just like, oh, glamorous. That's not quite the word, is it? Yeah.
But I fear that I'm going to get run over by a motorbike anytime soon.
Coming up to our favourite clock in Raider. We are off to Wales today, to Elan Valley. We made the majority of the way there already. We've come from Kidderminster all the way down to Crossgates for a breakfast, which I will attach a picture right here. Nice, lots of KTMs, 4 KTMs, man, bloody hell. Oh, it's such a mess here. Nobody knows when to go. What is Mr. Golf doing? Mr. Golf is parking in the tightest spot in the world. Oh, he's got loads of room. Right, so yeah, today Elan Valley. We're going to see the dams. It is Wednesday. Don't know what date it is. What's the date today?
So the 8th.
The 8th.
That might be.
Yeah, it might be. We suddenly have received the best weather that we have had all year. There's so many bikers out.
Swimming in the river down.
Was there? Well, that should tell you how warm it is today. It is, I think the bike said it's 24 degrees, but when you're in the sun, it feels like more 30, doesn't it?
Yeah, we were kitted out. We used all our jumpers.
Yeah, it was unnecessary. Well, this is the beginning of Elan Valley for us. It's absolutely lovely here. Look at this. What a view. I've cheekily parked my bike right here in this position. There's still plenty of space. Still plenty of space for people to go past. But yeah, this is just off the visitor centre. If you take a left turn going towards Elan Valley, you've got visitor centre. There's a big stone before the turning. And you just carry on going straight until you see this little suspension bridge. This is the old bridge. This is the new bridge, sorry. This is the new bridge. And this right here is the old bridge, which is obviously disused. You can see how rotten the planks are on it and stuff. But yeah, you can't beat that view.
The sound of the water, isn't it?
Yeah. It seems to me that I've recorded everything in 2x zoom. So however this comes out, it comes out. But I might do another flyby through the forest just in case I didn't record it properly. But here we are. One of the main dams. Absolutely stunning here. It's Becky's first time here. What do you reckon to it?
It's really, really, really beautiful.
Isn't it nice?
Just here with my helmet on.
Yeah, geared up before we go. But yeah, we'll be going up there now. Heading up the road. Up there, all the way to that dam here, to the top. So yeah, see you on the road. Yes, we are. And off we get again. Again, man. I was trying to elegantly go up it and not fall on my face. Oh yeah. Oh yes, look at this. We get to see the whole view from here now. Oh, look at it! Yeah! Imagine, whoop, going off this cliff here. Oh! The vehicle. through that that bridge there. Straight over the holes. Oh, yes. Stand up and have a look at this.
Oh my god, look at the waterfall.
Are you standing?
No.
I'm still standing. Oh wow! This is the where people were stood at this viewpoint here. There is a little track that goes up there, up towards the mountains, but that gate is always shut on it. Ooh.
Very peaceful.
Yeah, so nice, isn't it? Wow. What about the other side? Because that goes straight down to where we were just. Oh yeah. Bloody hell.
Points now. We've had this conversation about points.
Yeah, it's one of those things, isn't it? Like, how often do you get to smell pine trees where we are? Yeah, exactly. So being here, it's just like, oh, glamorous. That's not quite the word, is it? Yeah, I didn't mean. I meant to say gorgeous, really, but glamorous came out. I just rolled with it. I didn't think you'd pay much attention to it, really. Calling me out like that.
I think it was a bit weird.
Glamorous trees. This is just unreal. How gorgeous it is here. How glamorous it is here.
Glamorous.
Yeah. What is that? Would that have been like a bloody lighthouse or something?
Is it like a pump house? But this is a bit small.
Yeah.
Oh my god, now I've got a picture of rocks falling. That's just
Nice.
Don't worry, Molten May.
Oh, if you look up that bloody cliff up there. But who are you gonna sue? The Rockman?
Like Wales District Council.
Oh right, yeah. So I don't think it's their responsibility to look to make this safe somehow. How the hell would you even make this safe? You can't. Net it. Have you seen the size of these rocks? Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's really cute.
That's gorgeous. Wow.
We're at the end of it, aren't we?
I don't know. Map doesn't seem to think so. Yeah. Oh, that was gorgeous, that little bit there.
I like the little stream.
Yeah. Yeah, I do. Don't worry, you don't have to run. I'll go past you nice and steady. Go on. I need to spin around somehow here. So tall, bloody hell. Go on. So I'm so glad I've got this bike. Not any other bike doing this on. Look at it. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Gravel. Don't know where to put my feet. Oh, look at the view though.
Oh, well, that's really pretty.
Yeah!
Goes on for ages.
Yeah.
Is that where we've just been? That dam?
I don't know. Come on, hop on. We certainly come up here, and maybe that's what people do. They come here, they get a bit like, oh, what's this? They get a bit lost and then come back down. And we always thought there might be like a calf here or something, maybe.
No, it's dead end.
Oh, well, didn't hurt to look, did it? There is an off-road track to the bloody left, but I ain't taking that.
Look at that view though, it's
Yeah.
really glamorous.
Glamorous. Stop it.
Oh no, the sheeps.
Why do you keep coming this way, guys?
Sheeps.
Oh. There's sometimes a stream coming from that middle of that crease. See that crease? Huh?
That was really impressive. Oh.
Yeah. Fuck me. Oh. Here we are, a continuum of our journey through Wales. We have decided to go to Ceredigion, take a left up Mountain Road to the famous archway, and we'll be heading back now. We're heading down to Crossgates, grab a drink, and then on to Poolhole Fisheries for the bike night. And yeah, that's us done today, isn't it?
Long day.
Long day. Anyway, see you on the road. Peace. Fucking. What just flew into my helmet?
I don't know, but always just a really fucking free ride shot.
Righty. Oh, we have left beautiful, beautiful sunny Wales. We're back in England on our way through Craven Arms, and I haven't seen flowers like this for many months. It is they smell gorgeous. This is where you get home and you can't fucking breathe because of the pollen, but it is beautiful, absolutely stunning. Woohoo! Stunning fields here. So yeah, we're just on our way back now. We're about 21 minutes out of Poolhole Fisheries. There's a bike meet there tonight, and we thought what better way to finish our ride than to stop off our little meet. Some of our friends are there already, and supposedly it is the busiest they've ever seen it, which, to no surprise, you know, this is beginning of April pretty much, and look at this weather, 25 degrees today. So yeah, anyway, time for a bit of rocket ship sandwich. Ta-ta. Well, I've arrived at Poolhole Fisheries, and
I've never seen so many bikes.
they're all around the river to the left as well.
I know, I've seen, and that's not even concrete.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, here. Fucking hell. Bloody hell, man.
Good to see you, man.
You alright?
How you doing? You're on there.
Bloody. This is absolutely crazy, man. Pull hole. Pull hole fisheries is absolutely rammed.